DJ Khaled is back in Jamaica, and he's making some serious noise. Then, we've got Hughley and Cedric The Entertainer weighing in on the infamous baby oil drama with Diddy. And last but not least, Shyne is eating humble pie, admitting his past mistake about Kendrick Lamar, and revealing something shocking. According to Shyne, he once tried to spit in Diddy's face during a prison visit. Stick around as we break it all down. And you know I love hearing your thoughts in the comments. Alright, let's get things started with DJ Khaled. The man is back in Jamaica, and it's like he never left. After a bit of a break since the summer of 2022, Khaled is making sure the world knows he's back on the island. And trust me, he's making his return a big one. This week, Khaled dropped a full 15-minute video and 19 photos of his Jamaican journey. Yep, 19. He's out here showing off everything from his arrival to his wild adventures on the island. Now, you know Khaled doesn't just come to Jamaica for any regular vacation. He's bringing the energy. One post had him celebrating his arrival with the caption, "Just landed Jamaica. DJ Khaled is here. Bless up the beautiful people. Jamaica Day 1. Number 305, number 876 vibes in the dance tonight." Can you feel the energy just reading that? But wait, it gets better. Khaled's out here in downtown Kingston, hinting he's on the hunt for a dance or a sound clash. Talk about immersing himself in the culture. And of course, after all that fun, he's sharing footage of him and his crew digging into some mouth-watering oxtail.
And now we in beautiful Jamaica. We just left a nice, beautiful dance / sound clash vibes, and it's caught a vibe. Now it's time to eat some oxtail, rice and peas. What time is it right now? Hicko, what time is it? 4:45? We have not slept a second. 4 cities in 2 days, no sleep. God, it's great.
Imagine living your best life like that. Eating the best food Jamaica has to offer and soaking up the vibes. If you remember, back in 2022, Khaled was all about the spiritual vibes when he came to Jamaica, and he even shot the cover for his album God Did Here. Jamaican artists were featured on that album, so it's safe to say his connection to the island runs deep. So
DJ Khaled, love your DJ Khaled. What on DJ Khaled? Come around, DJ Khaled. Brethren, from your high school, I play on radio. See, from your play on radio in Miami. Major Mackel and Khaled apart. You know how long me I look for you. Me rich now. Listen, Major Mackel gave me one of my first gunplay. One of my first gunplay was Step Brother. The great DJ Khaled. When the neighbors only go say if you from Kingston, Jamaica, put your hands in the sky right now. Kingston, Jamaica. Show play the show. When the neighbors only go say Nobody in the world can play this clip with his fireman.
Yeah. DJ Khaled. Modest thing. Them for know. King of fire.
Check. Put your lights up, your phone lights up right now if you believe in Jah. 2 years in the sky right now. 2 years in the sky. DJ Khaled. touchdown like this. They believe in us. God did. They believe in us. Jamaica did. May I play tune tonight?
Listen, that's the instruction to the woman.
We just touched down on the plane right now. We come straight to the band.
Alright, that one young name. Any city, any town, DJ Khaled and not kill them. Music man up and them, blood clad DJs running around them. Hey yo, hello, bad man.
Launch up Wallard in London right now, baby. Share the beat now.
Hey yo, everything you with blood clad on your fever. Bomber clad to the boy, yeah, like I'm keeping it. This nigga's right for you. Motherfucking niggas, you know what I'm trying to figure. People call it offender, surrender. Then it's for pardon, let it up.
Launch up Shyne in the place.
Motherfucking niggas, you know we the best.
Launch up Miami massive. Launch up Kingston massive.
Hey yo, next to one. Motherfucking niggas, you know one for them blood clots up.
We the best.
Don't take no stress. If I want no one make it stop. Some of them not dead, we the best to pop off. Bad man no take no farmer cop. It's DJ Khaled, them put your back in the past. If I want no one make it start. Some of them not dead, yo Khaled no pop off. Bad man no take no farmer talk. Yo this we the best, and your life you lost. One no say nothing, one more bird on your foot.
You know how to choke? Listen to this.
DJ Khaled love a culture. You know what? DJ Khaled love a culture. Well, me shut up and know that I was listening. Alright, we're listening, we're listening, we're listening. DJ Khaled original and in my music master. We're listening, this Khaled and them a good big bounce, yeah. Some people
Pull up the bumper class.
DJ Khaled, the best. Out of me, to a foundation of the music. The DJ Khaled who set it. You know what's DJ Khaled love culture. You know what's DJ Khaled. Reach the 10 stage of evil. No. Murdering people. Yeah. Miami, worldwide.
Miami, Jamaica. DJ Khaled, we the best. Listen.
I love all of the gun. Keep them shine on Christmas. I can put up, you will come with in a weapon. You can point on trouble anytime you get it.
Yeah, hear me, DJ Khaled. We have rules and regulation, but we don't have no rules nor regulation for you. You do anything you want to do, say anything you want to say, play anything you want.
This DJ Khaled will have heavy that. And then you hold them in the trash and just will heavy that. We make it fall like rain and up heavy that. I listen, let's see how the first thing is tell me that. If you're not different truth and life, so no heavy that. I'm gonna say what's education, but I'm like Khaled, alongside DJ Khaled, I want to have a man. Yo, DJ Khaled, yo, Khaled, start this out like this.
Fireman and Sizzle! Nobody can play this! Fireman! Listen! Two Darling Sizzle at the launch! Listen!
And the behalf of Pinky famous, O'Neal famous, Peter Metro famous, and Major Macron famous, and the whole dancehall fraternity, Snaggapus famous, we glad and we acknowledge and really appreciate you turning up and playing for us tonight. Zane, we have a trophy to give the winner of the Sound Clash tonight. Alright, but right now it looks like you are the winner. So on the behalf of the original dancehall, and first, we have to thank Miss Burke for bringing you here. Thank you, Miss Burke. You make clap, Miss Burke. Oh, no, clap her. Yeah. Thank you for bringing him in here. DJ Khaled and the Alpha Dancehall Tourism, we are giving the award, yeah, I know. See, it no value no whole heap of money. But the depths.
This is more than money. This is special. First of all, I thank you for your kind words. You know what I mean? Me and you go back, way back. We love Jamaica.
Let me know in the comments. Does Khaled's energy make you want to visit Jamaica, or are you over the hype? Next up, let's talk about the baby oil drama surrounding Diddy. If you haven't heard, there's been a rumor that federal agents removed 1,000 bottles of baby oil from Diddy's home during a raid earlier this year. Yup, you heard that right, 1,000 bottles of baby oil. And the memes have been popping off all over social media, especially on Black Twitter, where everyone's having a field day. But guess what? DL Hughley and Cedric The Entertainer aren't here for the baby oil shame. When asked about it, Cedric had the funniest response. He said, "I gotta have some man," when asked if black folks still keep baby oil around after all the drama. Meanwhile, DL Hughley admitted he doesn't use it anymore, but added, "You can if it has aloe vera in it instead of drugs." Yeah, he's all about that aloe vera, apparently. But hold up, DL Hughley didn't stop there. He roasted Diddy over the whole baby oil situation, bringing up the infamous peach Ciroc and joking, "Nick Cannon got 900 kids, and he ain't even got 1,000 bottles of baby oil." Listen, nobody has that. So, what do you think? Has Diddy ruined baby oil for the community, or are we just having too much fun with these memes? Do you still keep baby oil in your house, or is it a no-go for you now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm dying to know what everyone thinks on this one. And last but definitely not least, let's talk about Shyne. The former rapper turned Belizean politician is finally owning up to something he said back in 2012 that's been haunting him. If you remember, Shyne once called Kendrick Lamar's Good Kid, Mad City album trash. Yep, he said that. But now, Shyne's come forward and admitted that was a huge mistake. On a recent podcast, he said, "I made a mistake about Kendrick Lamar. He's obviously proven to be one of the greatest musicians of our generation." Wow. Talk about growth, right? It's nice to see Shyne come clean and acknowledge Kendrick's greatness. But that's not all. He also dropped some serious tea about his relationship with Diddy. After serving nearly a decade in prison, Shyne revealed he only received $50,000 from Diddy. Talk about cold-blooded. And here's the kicker. Shyne claims that during a prison visit, he actually tried to spit in Diddy's face after everything he went through. After years of drama, he felt like Diddy owed him way more than a measly $50K, especially after Diddy went on to become a billionaire. So here's the big question. Do you think Shyne is justified in feeling betrayed? Or is he just holding on to past grudges? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
It's like, that's 10 years? 50 racks? Like, oh, man.
So that whole 10 years you were in jail, he didn't reach out to you at all?
He came to see me once, and I think I tried to spit in his face.
Okay.
In Rikers Island. So
that's probably why he didn't come back. Yeah.
I didn't want him to come back. I didn't even want him to come see me. I didn't even know he was coming to see me. They just brought me down, and the lawyers